Dr. Drew here with iScout, and what I want to do in this video is cover your ongoing data quality review. So this is one place that you want to look first and probably look regularly because we want to make sure that the information that we're putting in your EHR is clean because garbage in, garbage out. Quality in, you get quality reporting out that's accurate, that provides a ton of insight. So on this page, you will see some red numbers up here. Hopefully those numbers say 0. If they do not, you want to click into this area. This is your ongoing data quality review. This will give you an actual percentage score to tell you how clean your data is. I'm going to go back so we can show you some data issues, all right? So this is what you would see if you see data issues. Notice there's 156 total issues. This says critical issues. Any critical issues you want to address immediately because that's some date or something that will affect or impact the system. So ultimately, if you click on that critical issue, it'll bring up just that issue and it says an invalid treatment date, right? So if you're taking insurance, if you're doing PI, if you're doing anything like that, an invalid treatment date will definitely impact whether or how long it takes to get paid, right? So you want to definitely address critical issues, but you also want to address your other issues because ultimately, there's a couple different things that are tracked in here. This is an example of a few. Active practice members with no new practice member arrival. So that means we have new practice members that were scheduled. We have people that have continued on with care, but for some reason in the system, we don't have any arrival information for them. So that's a big problem because remember, arrivals is the one thing we cannot correct. And I'll get back to that in a second. Never made a payment. That's another list we want to pay attention to. Missing birthdays. We do reactivation campaigns and send birthday messages. So the time to find out that someone doesn't have a birthday is not when you're trying to send them a card or use a reactivation campaign. So you want to keep up on that regularly. Invalid treatment date. It'll also cover things like phone numbers, email addresses, demographic information, so on and so forth. So be sure to look here first. If you see something wrong that you feel is wrong in your data, look here first. Now on this column right here, you'll see missing arrivals data. This will represent days that are missing upload information. So if you see anything that you think is erroneous or wrong, be sure to come here and see if there's any dates missing. And then all you'll have to do, and I'll cover this in another video, is if you find out you're missing information or missing dates, I'll show you how to get that uploaded and corrected so that your system stays up to par. So once again, this is your data quality review. Come here often, come here regularly. Make sure your data's clean, quality in, quality reporting out. Once again, Dr. Clark, iScout, take care.